Your goal is to land your dream job quickly. But how can you stand out from the crowd and secure an interview? The reality is employers receive countless resumes. So it's crucial to make yours a winner. Luckily for you, there are proven strategies to ensure your resume rises above the rest. Let's get you noticed and hired rapidly. As an executive recruiter and job search strategist, I'm going to guide you through developing a resume that demands attention and secures your spot as the top candidate. Are you convinced your resume is a masterpiece? But listen up. Your resume has one critical mission: to attract potential employers. And here's the deal. If you're not getting at least 3 to 5 calls a week, it doesn't matter how aesthetically pleasing your resume is. It simply isn't cutting it. You need to whip this into shape so it works for you and lands you the job of your dreams. The reality is the job market is cutthroat, and employers mean business. Research suggests that recruiters like me, we skim through resumes in just only a mere 6 seconds before dismissing or considering you for an interview. So, don't let the opportunity slip away. Dazzle them and be the one that they remember. In this series about resume development, I'm going to reveal how to write a winning resume that will get you noticed by hiring managers and recruiters and help land you the job that you want. Today, I'm going to share one incredibly important thing that job seekers need to focus on when developing their resumes to grab a recruiter's attention. But first, my name is ILENE, and for over a decade, I've been an executive recruiter and a job search strategist for thousands of paying clients. My expertise lies in revealing insider secrets from the view of the recruiter on how to quickly capture the attention of employers to land the dream job that they desire. As a job search strategist, I focus specifically on teaching ambitious job seekers how to speed up their job search, secure a position that inspires them, and earn the income that they so richly deserve. You're here watching this video to learn how to land your dream job. I create training like this every single week. If you'd like to jump the line and get this training before anyone else, now would be a genius time to subscribe to get alerts when I post new content. When it comes to job hunting, your resume is your first opportunity to make a lasting impression on potential employers. I will tell you that many studies show that recruiters spend only an average of 6 seconds reviewing a resume before deciding whether to move forward with the candidate. So, how can you ensure your resume stands out in such a short amount of time? One incredibly important strategy is to showcase your transferable skills. Even if you do not have direct experience in the job or industry, highlighting applicable soft skills and transferable skills can demonstrate your potential value to the company. According to a recent study, 92% of recruiters agree that a candidate's soft skills are just as important as their technical skills. So, the next time you're applying for a job, don't underestimate the power of your transferable skills when it comes to catching the eye of a recruiter and landing your dream job. I have an expert tip I want to share with you, but if any of this resonates with you, I want you to go to my website. It's www.poundingpavement101.com. And there you'll gain access to my free job search on-demand workshop. And it'll show you a genius strategic plan on how to attack the job market to get the results that you want. You can watch it immediately, so you don't have to waste a moment of time in your search for a new career opportunity. Because as far as I'm concerned, every day you're not working, you're losing money. I don't believe in wasting time or in wasting money. I know that you know it flies out the window fast enough. Okay, job seekers, listen up. because I want to share this exclusive insider tip that will boost your chances of landing that dream job. Here's the deal. The recruiter is practically spoon-feeding you the answers you need to develop your resume based on how they search. Listen up. It's all in the job description. So, pay close attention to what they're looking for in a candidate. And get this, showcasing your relevant experience can triple your chances of getting a call back. Highlighting those transferable or applicable skills, even if you don't have direct job experience, can make you stand out from the pack. So, don't be afraid to flaunt your skills and get ready for the phone to ring off the hook. The power is in your hands right now. And while what I taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing to get you to where you want to be and land your next career opportunity. So again, I encourage you to subscribe. This way you can get alerts every time I post new content on inside secrets to grab a recruiter's attention. And remember to check out my free on-demand job search training workshop. It's at www.poundingpavement101.com. My name is ILENE REIN. I'm an executive recruiter and a job search strategist. I share the inside secrets to help you get hired rapidly. This is one in the resume development series. Check out the others so this way I can help you develop that resume to get you hired rapidly. Good luck in your job search.